Hi, Mark DeLeese here, and I'm so pleased to announce the addition of the Inline Optin to CTA Monster. And this was a lot of work, and I'm going to show you in some other videos some of the magic that you can do. But in this short video, I'm just going to show you how the Inline Optin or registration form works. So you go to Campaigns, and I'm going to go to New Campaign. And there's also 3 new templates as well. So I'm going to call this one Test Inline Form, if I can spell correctly. And I'm going to do a one step. But you'll see here where it says there's a new option that says Inline. Select Inline and what you want, 1 step or 2 step. I'm going to have the 1 step. You add your credentials, and I'm going to pick, for example, one of these here. For example, I'm going to pick my get response. Get response. There we go. And I'm going to load the credentials. And I can have multiple registrations, as you know, and autoresponders and webinar and what have you. Once that's done, go click on continue to the 2nd step. Here is where you can pick a template. There's also 3 new templates at the bottom. They're very, very powerful. One is an affiliate sign up registration form. It can be inline or a pop-up. You know, step 1, get on the notification list. Step 2, get your affiliate link. This here is an exit intent. Here can be a pop-up or an inline. So I'll select this one here and click on continue. And we come to the 3rd step, which is customizing it. And you can customize it. I'm going to continue to the 4th step. Now the 4th step is very important for the inline. You can add any animation you want. So if you want it to fly in, you can do that. You add your redirect after the opt-in. But here is that's very, very important. It says show pop-up after time delay. You need to select this, and you can just put 0. Okay, so it's going to show up as soon as they land on the page. Put 0 as the as a parameter for the pop-up to appear. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Oh, by the way, if you want it to show up after a number of seconds, you can put 5 seconds in there. If you want it to show up right away, put 0. Okay, so get the script code and just grab that. Now we're going to go to the. I'm going to put this on a WordPress blog, and it's going to be on a page. And so you want to go to the text section of the text editor. If it's on a static site, obviously you put it inside the HTML. So you just put it anywhere where you want it to go on the page or on the post, and click on update. And that's it. So now when I visit this page, there it is, you see? Now what's really cool about this, anytime I want to add the name and email, I want to change the colors, you don't have to go into your autoresponder and edit it and change lists and then come and edit your WordPress blog and copy and paste it all over again. You don't have to do that. All you need to do is simply just log into your CTA Monster and make all the changes from one dashboard. You don't have to touch your autoresponder code anymore. You don't have to touch your WordPress blog anymore. All your editing can be done on the fly inside the dashboard of CTA Monster. I'll show you what I mean. So for example, I want to customize the design, and I want to add a name and email. So I'll click on there, and I'm going to go to the text box, and I'm going to add the name as well. There, name, and I'm going to put enter your name. And now when I click on save, and I go back to the inline, which is right here. Now watch this when I refresh. Okay, I'll refresh this, and the name will show up. See? So all your editing can be done inside the CTA Monster. No longer do you need to go back into the autoresponder and configure it, or inside your WordPress blog or any HTML site that you have. All your configuration is now done inside the dashboard of CTA Monster. And this is across all of your websites, all your blogs, all of your opt-in forms and registration forms, everywhere. All the editing is simply done inside the dashboard of CTA Monster. You don't have to go into the autoresponder anymore. You don't have to go inside the, your WordPress blog to edit. You simply just make the changes right here, and bam, it's done. Thank you.